Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on a Sunday. Yes, it's actually Sunday today. In the additional of the weekend edition of Saturday, July the 29th, 2023. We have here an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars Sudoku, 4 stars Sudoku, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me and time consuming. I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. All right. Yeah. And the first one I will solve is the 3 stars Sudoku. Well, it's not actually a 3 stars. This, by the way, this will be number 6834. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 32 printed digits. Well, should be easier than the 1 star. The 1 star Sudoku has always 27 printed digits. This one has 32. For 1 star puzzle, you need to be faster than 15 minutes. 15 minutes. And for 3 star Sudoku, 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I'm curious. Is this really a 3 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. A lot of 2s. Let me start with 2. We have 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this column. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, so 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. Alright. 1, 3, and 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. And look, we have 3 and a 6 in the middle row. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then the 8 in this row, the 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row. So the row between, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 in the second column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the nines are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. All right. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 place left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in that row. So the row between, the only 3 place left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in the column next, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see this number 2, number 2. All right. The 8 in this column, third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left with 8 should be there. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left with 8 should be there. The 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 place left with 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. All right, 1 box left in the last row for number 1. So we have 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. All right. Then, let me see which number can I pick. How about the number 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 5. Okay. All right. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 3 in the third row, the 3 in the first row. So the row between second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and the 6, we have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. This is number 6, number 3. Then. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So on the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. I believe the same numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. 4 in this column, last column, 4 in the column next. So that column, only place left for the 4. As should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this last column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Well, 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. 0 star. Yeah, I'm disappointed in this puzzle. It's indicated with 3 stars. Well, it's not a 3 stars puzzle. Well, it's 0 stars. Anyway, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles, the 4 stars, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary. Until then, bye-bye for now.